I was going to ask with ichthyosaurs, I always imagine, because they're like dolphins, I imagine them to be a bit like a cross between a tuna and a dolphin, and I imagine them to be quite blubbery. Now,
Mhm.
that is probably completely incorrect.
It's the opposite of completely incorrect.
I
Um,
got
this
something right. This never happens.
this is another non-trivial observation. But let me get this out of the way to start with. So ichthyosaurs are a big deal in the Triassic. So that's early in their evolutionary history. And in the Triassic, they experiment with numerous different kind of configurations and body shapes and stuff. But nearly all of those die at the end of the Triassic, and there's just one group of ichthyosaurs that persists into the Jurassic and Cretaceous called the Tunosaurs. And your classic ichthyosaurs that you're thinking of are Tunosaurian ichthyosaurs. They're the conventional, like dolphin looking ones.
I assume Tunosaur as in tuna
Yeah,
shaped.
tuna lizards. So this body shape that Tunosaurian ichthyosaurs evolved at the end of the Triassic is really similar to cetaceans, dolphins in particular, to lamnid sharks, to tuna and their kin, scombroid fishes. And that set of animals all have a list of features in common. They're all really streamlined. They're all really fast, high endurance swimmers. They're all warm blooded. They've all independently evolved warm bloodedness. There are warm blooded sharks, tuna, and billfishes also are all endothermic. So, purely on that basis, it's sensible to predict that those criteria also applied to Tunosaurian ichthyosaurs. And modern studies
Cool.
have basically confirmed that, like isotope geochemistry has confirmed warm bloodedness in them. And a remarkable fossil from Germany of a Tunosaurian ichthyosaur called Stenopterygius demonstrates that it had blubber